Can you get it, Haley? Let go, Grandma. See if you can do it on her own.
Whoop, she goes backwards good.
Go, Haley. Go forward.
I gotta clean it.
Oh. You riding your bike? Keep going. Go that way. Yay! Keep going. You're doing it.
I didn't know her legs could make it. You know?
I think she's stuck.
Give her a gift. Oh, she's got it down. Here, stay on the sidewalk. Oh. You got what?
Bees. She says there are bees in your flowers.
I don't like bees.
Well, she's letting you know. Oh, careful.
Oh, she's proud. That's how they used to. Oh, that